wind. Standing out here in the middle of the freaking storm. But I'm not getting wet. Wow, clouds are flying. That's good. That's good. Here we go. Woo, doggy. Ding dang, y'all. This oak tree. Oh, please. It's already got a big limb down on the house. Here we go. Here we go. Let's walk down the street here and see what's happening. Lots of wind, that's about it. Can you hear it? All kind of people walking in the street, so I'm not the only nutcase out here. Woo, doggy, here we go. Yeah, this sucker's about to pick me up. This is kind of fun. But it ain't too serious yet. What winds are only about 50 miles an hour. Let's see. We'll take a walk. Take another walk. Go through the trees. They say lightning will be here in about an hour, so I won't be doing this then. Oh, it got quiet. Look at the clouds. I don't know if you can see them through this camera, but they are flying. Literally. Fast. Duh, I know they fly. Okay. Pecan trees. Boy, there's a lot of pecans on the ground. These people didn't even take their garbage in. Okay. Let's see here. Nope. Not much happening. I guess there's no way to show you what it's really feeling like out here. But I wonder if you can hear it. And the eye just hit about 50 miles south of us. And so far I still have light. I'm one of the lucky ones, knock on wood. So, let's see here. We'll go to the other end of the street and see what's happening. I hear crickets. They usually crick around 2 o'clock. Woo! Tell you what, if I did get wet, I'd get blow-dried real quick. Had the umbrella a while ago. Was flying like freaking Mary Poppins. Hear the crickets? No mosquitoes out here, that's for sure. Woo! Doggy, here we go. Too bad we don't have kilo vision. Oops, there's a little wire hanging. Whoa! Whoa! Tree just slapped me in the butt. Maybe it's time to go home. Yeehaw, I'm not even walking under that tree till this gust stops. Whoa! Whoa! Nail it. Okay. That tree slapping me in the butt was not fun. Okay, ding dang, y'all. It's about time to go in. This crazy woman's signing off for another hour, if it's safe to come out. Whoop, one more. I know my neighbors think I'm a loony freaking tune. Okay. Look, my neighbor. Okay. It's time to go in. Get past this tree. Ruh-roh. Okay, guys. Gonna see y'all in a little while. Time to walk home. Gotta go through the trees. Okay. Through in the trees. Woo, doggy. Okay. Big hole in that roof next door. Okay. Bye.